Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix a Chrome browser error that says ERR underscore blocked underscore by underscore response. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you can do is that you need to temporarily disable extensions in your Chrome browser. How we can do that? Simply bring up your Google Chrome, make a right click, and from here, please click on open so that you can enter. So expand it first, and then from that, navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Please scroll down and select for settings. So at the Chrome settings, please navigate to the left pane. Find for an option which is extensions. So there we can see it. So here you need to disable extensions temporarily because sometimes this can interfere with how a web page loads. So try disabling them one by one to see if the error disappears. Click on remove. In that way you'd be able to disable such. Once you have temporarily disabled your extensions, try to check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, that is to bring up the settings again. And this time, please proceed to privacy and security. And there you can see privacy and security section. Please proceed to delete browsing data. And from here, please mark all of this check and click for delete data. Once you have declared your browser cached and cookies, you need to check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to use incognito mode. How we can do that? Simply create a new tab here, and then navigate to the top right corner. You can see three dots. Select for new incognito window. So once you are here in incognito tab here or window, you would be able to check if the error has been fixed. So try to run the Chrome browser in private or incognito window. Okay? So check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then we need to navigate to the last solution, and that is to temporarily disable the antivirus and firewall. How we can do that? We need to navigate to the bottom search bar first. And this time, please type for panel. Then from here, please wait until you can see a best match, which is the control panel, then click on open so that you can proceed. Okay, so at the control panel window, change the view like this. Navigate to the upper right side. You can see the view by, change it into large icons. Then proceed to the fourth column where you can see Windows Defender Firewall. Then from here, please navigate to the left pane. Try to access for Turn Windows Defender. And then please turn it off temporarily. Click on OK button. Once you have turned off, go back to your Chrome browser and check if the error has been fixed. Once resolved, turn it on again and then click on OK. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.